doing enough? Nasa tamang path ba ako? Lately, I've been sitting with my thoughts more than usual. Parang ang daming tanong sa isip ko. Like, am I doing enough? Nasa tamang path ba ako? Bakit parang lahat may direction except me? It's day 28 and lately I've been realizing that it's okay to not have everything figured out. May mga araw na I feel strong, may mga araw na I feel lost. And I think it's okay, it's a part of growing. Pero may mga araw na bigla lang akong mapapagod mentally and emotionally. Yung tipong kahit may ginagawa ka, pakiramdam mo, stuck ka pa rin. And I realized something. Maybe this confusion doesn't mean I'm failing. Maybe it means I'm growing. Pero alam mo, hindi pala kailangan na may sagot ka agad sa lahat. Hindi pala required na by this age, alam mo na kung ano ka at saan ka pupunta. We're allowed to change, we're allowed to restart, we're allowed to take breaks without feeling guilty. If you're in your quarter life crisis right now, like me, hear this. Hindi ka late, hindi ka napag-iiwanan, hindi ka kulang.